Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the dent accessible and safe. That's step 1. Clean the surface with alcohol so the puller adheres. Remove loose paint to avoid further damage. If you have panel access behind the dent, open the trunk or remove interior trim now. This lets you push from behind later. Once done, choose your first method. Suction with a plunger for shallow dents or heat and push for small creases. Make sure to position tools square to the surface. Now you perform the main correction. Keep motions deliberate. For the plunger approach, wet both surfaces, seat the plunger, then pull straight out. Repeat until the panel returns. For heat and push, warm the area evenly to loosen metal and paint. Don't overheat. Then use a rubber-tipped hammer or plastic knockdown to push gently from behind. Once the shape is near normal, taper out high spots by alternating light cooling and tapping to blend edges. Make sure to check alignment from multiple angles. Finish by refining the surface so the repair disappears. Sand any rough spots lightly, apply a thin layer of filler only if a low spot remains, then prime and touch-up paint to match. After paint cures, polish with rubbing compound, then wax to restore gloss. If the dent rebounds or you see a crease that won't settle, repeat short heat and push cycles first. If that fails, get a professional dent technician. Creases often need specialized tools to avoid paint cracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.